Alzheimer's disease is a type of dementia that affects memory, thinking, and behavior. ENCORE Research Group is on a mission to learn more through research to one day hopefully eradicate the condition. Stephen is here to fill us in, and thanks for hanging out with us today.
Thank you.
So we want to just start off with some basic questions. So what was the impetus that makes researching Alzheimer's here in Jacksonville such a big deal?
Well, I figured you'd ask that. Thank you. It is a devastating disease. It's an extremely common disease, and it is a unique experience working within the ENCORE Research Group as a privatized research center. And I also work as a Baptist neurologist, and so being able to provide an option for many treatment conditions like Alzheimer's that have had limited treatment options in the context of research trials has been, I think a really useful experience for many of our patients. I just came to my mind a patient that I saw last Thursday. He and his wife were remarking on their journey through, they've participated in one of Eli Lilly's trials, and his journey started in 2022 with some subtle cognitive impairment, and he's had a wonderful response to an experimental therapeutic, and he's several years into his journey, and he's not had any cognitive worsening with this disorder, with the experimental treatment. And so he seems to be responding very well, and they were just remarking on how exciting it was for them to have gone through this and really have been treated with a therapy that's not even FDA approved yet, but likely will be.
So we've got many families in our community that are impacted by Alzheimer's. What are some of the promising advancements or clinical trials you guys are currently working on?
So when talking about a disorder and therapeutics for something like Alzheimer's, it's useful to split things into two general categories: symptomatic relief therapies and then also disease-modifying therapies. Disease-modifying therapies have as their goal trying to alter the trajectory of the disease, not just improve a symptom. We do have both types of trials that are currently active and actively enrolling at Jacksonville Center for Clinical Research now. And we have some that are ongoing that are not actively enrolling, particularly with asymptomatic people who harbor Alzheimer's disease pathology but have not developed any symptoms yet. And so a wide variety of those types of studies. This is a moving target that this is one of the most funded areas of research Alzheimer's is. And so these studies pop up and show up and like a moving target. And so 6 months from now, we'll have different studies that are being run.
We have barely scratched the surface, y'all. So we hope to have you back again to do some more conversation, because this is something that people are really affected by, and it's becoming more prevalent as we move forward. So thank you for sharing that information with us. And if you want to find out more information on your own and maybe connect with them, you can go to encoredocs.com. So again, once again, thank you for sharing that. And we'll have more River City Live after this. Stay with us.